Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we've been looking for longs on the US dollar pairs on the Kiwi US dollar. If you've been following along my videos, then you know that I've been looking for longs. We got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. This is a really good example of what I look for. One wave down, three waves up, one wave down, Fibonacci bounce. Yes, it did come back and make a double bottom, but that definitely looks like a pretty nice ABC crutch, and we need to see it break up to really confirm, but more than likely it is going to go back up and retest these highs. Daily time frame is definitely still up. We definitely don't have any breakdown yet on the daily. So I am still looking for logs. I'm still looking for three-way pullbacks for potentially the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.